Hello, my name is Antti Hemminki, and I will be speaking about the importance and opportunities behind services. It is a fact, not an opinion, that the whole field of IT is getting service oriented. Therefore, we need to have a strategy and know exactly what we want to do in order to maximize this opportunity, extend our portfolio, and make money across the life cycle of all and every solution that we are selling. From the customer point of view, there are three reasons for buying services, why customer benefits from services. One, services help them to finance the deals. That way, as your customer, I definitely will get what I need. The second reason for me as your customer to buy services is services help me to mitigate my buying risks and mitigate the risks associated with the solutions over their life cycle. So, risk mitigation. And the third one, partly an output of both of these ones, it makes or creates an optimized environment, optimized experience, because I definitely will get exactly what I want from anything I invest in. So for the customers, the services help in making more money, mitigating the risks, and optimizing the user experience. Therefore, this is almost an endless opportunity, and we have to think it more holistically. To whom am I selling the services? Who benefits from them? And when am I delivering all those services? Let me open these two questions. Who's receiver of the services, and when am I delivering those services? Starting from the question, who's the receiver of the service, we have to analyze and understand customer decision-making process and their organization chart a bit deeper. So creating here only three layers. We can deliver services that are targeted to the business people, the IT department, or the technical parts of my customer. All our services can be classified also across the life cycle. So let me create here four segments, sectors, and commercialize my services a little bit more in detail. Starting from left, we can have planning services. Let's create the IT strategy. Let's have the high-level architects. From planning services, we advance to what are called design services. Now we go towards details. Let's have the IT model of operation, or let's have the network diagram, network architecture, storage architecture, etc. This is the basis for the next step. Let's implement all this. And after the implementation starts the maintenance and operation phase. Let's take our share of wallet also from that. Thus, in order for me to maximize all the opportunities beyond the word services, I can and I should commercialize all kinds of services that are targeted to different people and entities, business level services, IT departmental services, technical services, and all of these ones across the life cycle of the solution. This is not possible before I'm rethinking how will I actually deliver these ones and who really physically will deliver all these. So let's create a model of commercializing these services, therefore again maximizing our opportunity. In this diagram, I will now use two catchphrases. The first one I called branding, and the second one I called deliver. Keeping this simple as it should, so starting from branding, this is my service. And having the other axis delivered by me, my people. This square is what I call the core of your service portfolio. And we have to make a decision, what is the core? What's the brand that we want to give? Who are the skilled people that we are using in delivering the core services? Maybe my decision is very narrow. Our core services is only the installation part. That does not look very convincing, so I have to extend my capabilities and my opportunities. Let's talk about the other ways of occupying these services. Going here, now I have third-party branding delivered by me, and this perfect example for this one is, let me become the authorized service provider of Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. So if I'm an authorized service provider of a vendor, then I can resell their services, yet occupy by my people with my people. Another way of occupying the squares here is that I'm using subcontractors, my service delivered by someone else. I'm maintaining the branding, but I'm using, for instance, freelancers for this delivery. And the last corner, like branding and delivery, is by externals to me. Now I'm a reseller of those services. So there are 4 ways I can occupy the squares within this diagram. And that gives me a methodology and approach how can I get more money by selling more comprehensive services for my customer across the entire life cycle. And this is where our business, the business of IT, is going. Therefore, in order for me to optimize my business and be future ready, I should see the life cycle and commercialize everything, anything I can across the life cycle. In very short, understand the life cycle from planning to the implementation and operation, and then create the commercialization. And that's the way to make money, because we are providing genuine real value for our customers for financing, mitigating their risks, and optimizing their experience.